Für was ist eure Sprache weg von Polen? Sie hat ja gewusst jemand?
Yes. Wir haben die Mispoche hat got shops, and all of a sudden, in front of every shop, there were pickets not allowing customers in. And my father was playing chess with a not just locally, but he was pretty good at it, and he was sent to different places. And one of his colleagues that he played chess with, he happened to be in the head of the Polish police, and they were very close friends because they were always playing together the chess. And he said to him once, Zelik, if I were you, I'd take my family and get away from here. And my father put in for 2 permits, one to Australia and one to America. He was hoping that he would get to America because we had family there. But the first permit came from Australia, so that's why we are here. We got away very quickly. In Poland, my father was, a businessman. He was a very educated guy. He went through, not many people could afford to go to university, but fortunately, he made it, he did. So, but when he came here, he felt a nobody. He couldn't speak English. He didn't have any money. And it was very, very hard for him. Can you imagine someone in a new country with no English and no money? It was terrible. But slowly he got there.